Hello and welcome GPS, this is Anders of the Simmywinnysears, and I'm here bringing you a match against the Reno Wheezings. Oh, Reno, sorry. Who should we lead here? We will lead our Palafin, surprise, surprise. Most predictable lead of the tournament, probably. It is a very good lead though, so yeah. A bit nervous about this match, it's a Sun team. I have only literally just recently retraded to be a Snow team, and he's a Sun team, so I'm thinking Torque will lead, which is why I'm leading Palafin. What is it? Okay, we have a floor Hatterene. We will flip turn here. Obviously, Hatterene is Psychic and Fairy. So it does get the stab Psychic. But I think Kelpo can handle it, and we do have Sludge Bomb. It doesn't get Sludge Wave anymore, sadly. Carmine, okay. Kind of scary. So we're going to have leftovers here. The Carmine is scary because this thing has like some serious, yeah, special defense. So what are we going to see? Terra Steel maybe? Brace the Terra Psychic? Terra Steel, okay, makes sense. Okay, what are we going to use? Psyshock. Of course, that's going to hit physically, which will kill. But we do get a good Scout out. Okay. Definitely scary. We'll go for Palafin here. He does have Slew Edge. We should still outspeed even if he switches in. Okay, Giga Drain. We'll do big damage. We have our Citrus Berry, of course. I think we got a Drain Punch again, right? Yeah. God, was that a crit? Jesus. Do we kill next turn? That's scary. I think we still kill. Yeah, so he's going to switch into Slew Edge here. He's gonna have Shadow Snake, right? What do we do? Do we Jet Punch here? I think we Jet Punch here. Focus. No, of course it's not focus. He just survived. Shadow Snake. So he got the Shadow Snake. It's to be expected. So we can't let him get a Bitter Blade. We're just going to crunch here. So we revealed our choice scarf. Losing Draglage definitely hurts. Should have expected the Psyshock. We still have the Snow Core. We'll go into Kamala here. Carmine set up again. Does he have any flying ones left? That didn't do very much. Good old Kamala. Right, what do we think? Nothing really wants to switch into an Earthquake, so we're just going to go for another Earthquake. We got rid of the Hatterene, so that's a Terragon 2, which is a really nice thing to have out of the way. So we got Crocodile. We're going to go into Amoonguss here. It's not Amoonguss. I keep calling it Amoonguss. He's got the Stealth Rock. Makes sense. Nothing wants a close combat, really. So Torkoal will live a close combat. No problem. But that will obviously activate my attack. So we will just switch into Kamala here. There's no real reason not to. Sadly, without the Assault Vest, it will take not big damage, but it will take damage. We at least have the Heavy Duty Boots, so no Stealth Rock damage. Yep, and that will do nothing. Comatose is such a cool ability. So we're just going to Rapid Spin here because the obvious play is to switch into potentially Crocodile. So we have the annoying pepper. The annoying pepper without much in terms of defense. Look at that. It's even worth sucker punching. Sucker punch probably wouldn't kill. So he's going to kill Kamala here, which is fine. We're kind of sacking. So we know it's Life Orb. Get a Bomber Snow in. We're going to predict the Torkoal. We're just we're going Dragon just in case. So he shouldn't have anything to be able to hurt Terra Dragon. Yeah, he just stayed in. Okay, this is actually like really bad for him. Just gonna Aura Veil here. Gets Play Rough, right? I should live it, I think. If I don't live it, then I've miscalculated heavily. EQ, okay, I should live that. I definitely wouldn't have lived a Play Rough though. Did you see how much damage that did? So he's rocking. Honestly, no reason not to just close combat here. Like, obviously it doesn't do that much to Torkoal, but we still get the damage boost. Yeah, we kill. Oh, don't kill. And Veil protects us. And he has no priority either, so we just go straight for the kill again. He might switch to Torkoal here, it would make sense. Okay, nope. He's sacking. So what's he got left now? Yeah, Electrode. I forgot about this thing. This is really hard to know what to do here. T-Wave, okay. I might have made the right call. Until I get... Okay, I didn't get fully powered. We are just sacking here, obviously. I didn't even kill, holy shit. That's what, like, 3 special defense drops. Electrode really doesn't have great... Okay, so we get the fully power, right. I think now is just time to sack. Going back to Electrode. That's unfortunate. Let's not get too upset though. Oh, this is wasting my Aura Veil. That's actually really annoying. I didn't even... Okay, well, we'll live with it, okay? 2 power turns in a row. Yay. So obviously, Bomber Snow will die here. We'll just go for Earth Power, right? That's honestly, actually, that's kind of annoying. I'm annoyed that I got the 2 in a row. It is what it is. Frustrating. So I think he just wins here because foul play. I'm actually really frustrated about that. It's the nature of the game, but it is annoying. So we get the policy. Now, the real question is, does Ice Shard kill? Probably not. But we shall try. Oh, it does kill. Okay. Woo. Okay, that was such a tight match. Holy crap. We'll go into round 2.